NTPC invited recruitment of engineering executive trainees 2021 through GATE 2020. NTPC Limited is India's largest integrated energy company with an installed capacity of 65,810 megawatts. Commensurate with our country's growth challenges, NTPC has embarked upon an ambitious plan to attain a total installed capacity of 130 GW by 2032. To fuel its ambitious growth plan, NTPC is looking for promising, energetic, and dedicated young graduate engineers with brilliant academic record in engineering disciplines of electrical, mechanical, electronics, and instrumentation as engineering executive trainees 2021 in the pay scale of 40,000 rupees to 1,40,000 rupees even grade. Number of force 108. Qualification: full-time bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or AMIE with not less than 65% marks as per respective institutes or university norms. Final year or semester students are also eligible to apply subject to obtaining at least 65% marks in engineering degree, 55% for SC or ST or PWBD candidate. A candidate with the prescribed degree identified for the disciplines as given below can only apply for the post of EET 2021 in the respective discipline. Discipline advertised prescribed full-time degree in engineering. Electrical engineering. Electrical or electrical and electronics or electrical instrumentation and control or power systems and high voltage or power electronics or power engineering. Mechanical engineering. Mechanical production or industrial engineering or production and industrial engineering or thermal or mechanical and automation or power engineering. Electronics engineering. Electronics or electronics and telecommunication or electronics and power or power electronics or electronics and communication or electrical and electronics. Instrumentation engineering. Electronics and instrumentation or instrumentation and control or electronics instrumentation and control. Age limit. Upper age limit for general or EWS is 27 years as on last date of online application. Age relaxation for SC, ST, OBC, NCL or PWBD or XSM candidates applicable as per government guidelines. Selection process. Eligible candidates must have appeared for graduate aptitude test in engineering GATE 2021. Candidates will be selected based on the GATE 2021 performance. Placement. The selected candidates shall undergo 1 year training at various NTPC plants. Final place of posting will be decided after completion of training. Candidates can be placed in any of projects or stations including subsidiaries or JVs companies of NTPC across the country for shift operation of power plants and will be required to work in shifts including night shifts. Application for the post will be considered as the consent of the candidates to work in shifts including night shifts. How to apply? Candidates need to apply online for the post of EET 2021 with their GATE 2021 registration number by visiting www.ntpccareers.net or careers section at www.ntpc.co.in. Candidates are requested to go through the full text of the advertisement available on our website for detailed eligibility criteria, reservation and relaxations, selection process, placement and other details before applying. Important dates. Commencement of online application 21/2021. Last date for online application June 10, 2021.